Winter vacations are the highlight of the year for me and my family. As soon as the school bell rings, signaling the start of the holiday break, excitement fills the air. It's a time when we trade textbooks for snow gear, and the ordinary routine transforms into a winter wonderland of adventures. The vacation begins with a flurry of activity as we pack our bags for a getaway to a snowy destination. The car ride is filled with anticipation and the occasional glimpse of snowflakes dancing in the air. Soon, we arrive at our cozy winter retreat, greeted by the sight of snow-covered mountains and the promise of frosty escapades. The first day is always dedicated to exploring the winter wonderland. We bundle up in layers, ready to face the chilly temperatures. Our breath forms clouds in the crisp air as we embark on a snow-covered trail, the untouched snow crunching beneath our boots. The landscape is a canvas of white, with trees wearing snowy coats and icicles hanging like nature's ornaments. Snowball fights become a family tradition, and we engage in friendly battles, laughter echoing through the snowy expanse. Building a snow fort becomes a creative project, with each family member contributing to the walls and design. It's a chilly but delightful labor of love that stands proudly in the winter landscape. Sledding down hills becomes a thrilling activity, with the wind rushing past and the world becoming a blur of white. We take turns racing down the slopes, and sometimes, we link our sleds together for an extra dash of excitement. It's a joyous ride that leaves us breathless and eager for more. Winter evenings are a time to warm up by the fire. We gather in the cabin, the crackling flames casting a cozy glow. Hot chocolate becomes a staple, and we sip the warm, chocolatey goodness while sharing stories and playing board games. The ambience is filled with the scent of burning wood and the comforting sound of a winter evening. One day during our winter vacation, we decide to try ice skating on a frozen lake. The ice is smooth, and the blades of our skates carve elegant patterns. It's a magical experience, gliding across the ice hand in hand with family, the frosty air invigorating and the surrounding landscape creating a picturesque backdrop. As the vacation unfolds, we take time to enjoy simple pleasures like snowflakes gently falling outside our window. Sometimes, we embark on winter hikes, exploring the serene beauty of the snow-covered woods. The hush of the winter forest and the occasional bird song create a peaceful atmosphere that soothes the soul. Towards the end of our winter vacations, we engage in a grand snowman building contest. Each family member creates their own unique snow sculpture, and we gather to admire the whimsical creations. The snowmen stand proudly, a testament to the joy and creativity that winter brings. As our winter vacation draws to a close, we pack our bags with memories that will warm our hearts throughout the year. The car ride home is filled with reflections on the snowy escapades, and we carry the spirit of winter with us, eagerly awaiting the next holiday break when we can once again embrace the magic of winter vacations.
I would like to know from which country you are watching us. Share this video with your friends for learning English. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.